In this video, we will learn the concept of estimation. Estimation means calculating something approximately. So in estimation, we are not getting the exact numbers, but a rough idea, a general idea in between what value the number lies. So then the question arises, why do we need to estimate? Why can't we calculate the exact numbers? So let us look at those scenarios. Sometimes we need a rough idea about the numbers. Suppose we go at a party and we ask our friend how many people are there in the party. So our friend would reply approximately 100, 200. He won't give the exact count 132. He won't calculate the total number of persons or friends present over there. Secondly, when we need to find the answers more quickly, in such scenarios, we need estimation, not the exact value. So these are some of the possible scenarios in which we require estimation. Now, let's have a look how to make an estimation. So first we will see summation of two numbers. Our first number is 4096 and we will add 1896, 1896 in it. So if we are not very comfortable with big numbers such as these, so it may take some time to sum these numbers. And if we have to do it quickly, so what we can do is we can write 4096 as 4100. We can round it off and we can write 1896 as 1900. So we have round off these numbers to the nearest hundreds. And then we can add 4100 and 1900 and we will get 6000 as answer. So in this we have seen how to round off the numbers to nearest hundreds and make an estimation. Now let us have a look at another example, and this we will see the multiplication of numbers. So our first number is 19 and we'll multiply it with 11. So if we are not comfortable with these numbers in multiplication, then we can round off 19 to 20 and round off 11 to 10, and then we can multiply 20 into 10 and we will get 200. 20 into 10 is easier than 19 into 11. So we have round off these numbers to nearest tens. So in this way we can make estimation. Now let's discuss one more scenario. There is a shopkeeper who has closed his shop in the evening, and now while going back he wants to know how much money he has earned in the day. Then he opens up his diary and he sees there are only 2 transactions made in the day. From one person he has collected 13,879 rupees. So that person has given 13,879 rupees to the shopkeeper. And second transaction, the shopkeeper has given 9,784 rupees to someone else. So that transaction is shown in minus. The shopkeeper has given someone, but the shopkeeper is not good at mathematics. So he can estimate the rough amount he is left with. Now he round off the 13,879 to 14,000. That is to the nearest thousand. He rounds off that number. So he has got 14,000 approximately in the day, and the amount of money he has given back, he also rounds off that to 10,000. He has round off 9,784 rupees to 10,000. So he estimates that he is left with 4,000 rupees. This is how estimation is used. And it is very useful in scenarios where we want to have a rough idea and in a very short span of time. Within few seconds, we want to make a rough calculation. So we can use estimation in those scenarios.